Hello, in this video I will show you why there's two different USB cables with your Steelseries Apex 7 keyboard. So here are the cables, and the first one, it has the keyboard printed on it, as you can see. So if you plug it in, your keyboard should light up and start working. Second cable will work as a pass-through USB. So if you connect it to your PC, let me do it real quick. It will work, as I mentioned, as a pass-through, and there's a USB plug on your keyboard. Now you can connect basically anything right here, and it should work just as you would connect it to your PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.